In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PayPal error message card linked to another PayPal account. This is a common issue that can prevent you from using your card with a different PayPal account. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve this issue effectively and quickly. First, let's start by navigating to the PayPal website. Open your preferred web browser and make your way to PayPal's homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and click on that familiar blue login button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the sign in page where you'll enter your PayPal account credentials. Type in your email address and password in the provided fields. Be sure to enter the correct information to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your details, you can use the prompts for password or email recovery. Once you've confidently entered your information, click on Log In to access your account. Now that you're logged in successfully, look for the Pay and Get Paid option. This will usually be prominently displayed on your account dashboard. Selecting this will give you access to various payment and account management features. Here, you are going to focus on the Wallet section, where you'll manage your cards and bank accounts linked to PayPal. Within the Wallet section, locate the sub-option Banks and Cards. Clicking here will show you a list of all the cards and bank accounts currently linked to your PayPal account. Find the card that's causing the issue, the one you want to switch to another PayPal account, and click on it. You should see the option to remove card. Click this to unlink the card from your current account. This step is crucial because PayPal doesn't allow a card to be linked to multiple accounts at the same time. After successfully removing the card, log out of the current PayPal account. Now log into the account where you would like to use the card. Once you're logged into this second account, head back over to the Wallet and Banks and Cards section where you'll add the card. Follow the usual steps here to input your card details and add it to the account. PayPal will guide you through confirmation or verification processes if necessary, ensuring that the card is successfully linked to the new account. And there you have it, your card is now linked to the PayPal account you intended. By following these steps, you'll have resolved the card linked to another PayPal account error, allowing you to continue making transactions without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out other content for more useful tips on managing your online payments.